How to fix Kodi Playback error. So the very first thing that we want to do is, of course, launch our Kodi client or Kodi application. So what are we going to do right now is to download a specific add-on for us to be able to view the specific error code. And by that error code, we will be able to fix it. So first things first is head out directly to add-ons right here. And then go to download. And then once you're on download, is just to simply locate the log viewer for Kodi. Now for you to be able to install this, just simply click on that and then just choose on install. Once this specific add-on will be installed to your Kodi client, you will now then be able to view the specific error code of the playback that you're encountering, and by there you should be able to fix it, as there is a resolution or steps on how you can troubleshoot that error code. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix Kodi playback error.